Hi, Jake with Crandall Office here. Today we're going to show you how to adjust your set screw on your Steelcase Amia. Let's dive on in. Real quick before you adjust your set screw, you're going to want to look underneath the chair. If there is a screw on the bottom of the frame by the cylinder, there's going to be a different method, and you can follow the link in the description below to do it that way. If there's no screw, we're going to show you the proper way right here. So the two tools you're going to need are a long-handled screwdriver, flathead, and a 3mm hex key. And to begin this process, you're going to want to stand in front of the chair. On the right-hand side, you'll feel one lever. You go ahead and grab that and pull it towards you. Make sure the seat's all the way out. Your next step is you're going to come on the back of the chair and start on the left-hand side. So at this point, you're going to be at the back side of the chair on the left, and you're going to want to push your screwdriver through down to that white tab. And we're going to want to compress that tab up. And it's going to be down there just a little ways. I'll move my hand so you can see. But we're going to want to compress that white tab down there. And once I have that pressure, I'll come over and grab the same handle you used to move the seat forward. And with enough pressure, the seat should move right off there for you. At this point of the adjustment of your set screw, you're going to want to come to the front of the chair. Standing in front on the right-hand side, right down here you'll see this set screw. As of right now, this chair is not activated. The cylinder is not activated and not working. To fix that issue, you're going to want to turn the set screw clockwise and just do a couple turns at first. And just check it along the way. This needs to be a little tighter yet. Continue to turn clockwise. Let's check it again. Now my cylinder is activated. Now to back it up, if your chair is always activated or your cylinder when you sit down and the chair compresses, so you're going to want to do the opposite of what we did and turn it counterclockwise, and that will free up your cylinder from being activated all the time. At this point, now we're going to reinstall the seat. And these two rails right here are important. They're plastic covers for the side, and they can come off real easily sometimes. There's a little tab on each one. You just go ahead and make sure that is popped back into place, and it's on the back side of this metal rail right here. The bottom side of this seat has an open side and a closed side. The closed side will be towards me when I reinstall the seat. When you reinstall, those two plastic guides I was talking about go right inside each one of these plastic guides. All right, we are at the point of reinstalling your seat. Just a reminder, the closed side goes towards you. So this part can be a little tricky, but it's really not that bad. You just got to go nice and slow. And as you go, you'll pull up on the right-hand side, pull up on the left-hand side to make sure that you are locked into the rails. Now that we're locked in, I'm going to go ahead and push on the seat, and as I'm pushing, I will grab this handle on the right-hand side, and it's going to help me push the seat all the way back into place. Now, just to check that your seat is secured, go ahead and pull it all the way out. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining us today on the adjustment of your set screw of your Amia. If you have any questions, you can go to crandalloffice.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. And don't forget to like and subscribe on Facebook. Thank you.
Like, subscribe on YouTube.
On YouTube. Thanks for joining us today. Tom. Turn around.
Oh, look, it's Tom. I think you're late.
Thanks for joining us today All right. All right. Is he out of the picture now? Yeah.